Back. This is my third video in the series. Now, previously we have seen how a function works. Um, this function is multiplying two values. It's not really adding two numbers, but multiplying two numbers. So you have to add comments for each and every function so that later on you can refer to those comments and understand what this function does. Now, this is really okay. I'll change this to add function again. Um, Add two values and not really multiply, so that the comment is meaningful to this. And I will run a test. It is giving me 9, so it is correct. Now, what if I want to add any number of numbers? I mean, it is not 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5. I don't know what the user will input here. Well, in that case, what I can do is I can add a different parameter like args. Now, what this function will do is, now I have to take a variable here, and I will take sum equals to 0, and then I will run a for loop. I'll come to this point, like how this for loop works. For now, uh, just watch this, how a for loop is being run on the args, and then how I am really working with this formula. There are multiple for loops. I can use any of them. Let's say for this example, I can use either for, or I can also use for each as well. Let's go ahead with for each this time. Um, then let's say arg, and then it is basically returning um, sum plus arg. Now at the end, I have to return the sum. I'll explain what this function is doing and how it is working. But first, let me try this, whether this is actually working or not. As you can see, the result remains the same, but this time, additionally, what I can do is I can actually add many numbers. Okay, at this point, let me just first calculate what the result should be. It's 18, 6, 24, then 27. Now let me run this function, and I can see the result is 27. So yeah, the function is working. I'll explain how this function is working in my next video. Thank you for watching.